Before we start the video, I'd like to talk to you about a new tool that we are using called eva.guru. This is a software stack that provides dashboard reporting, inventory management, profitability reports, reimbursements that run automatically, and my favorite, the dynamic pricing tool. Simply put, this tool helps Amazon sellers put more money in their pocket at the end of every month. Use promo code FIRINGTHEMAN50 to get 50% off your first month of eva.guru. Now, onto the video.
Problem number 2 for an Amazon seller, this one is around product launches. And so let's say we launched a very unique product and we've got the listing optimized, the images are dialed in, we've got video, EBC, we're running heavy PPC, everything is dialed in except for price. And we're selling, maybe we haven't sold any, maybe we've sold just a few, and we think our price needs to be adjusted. Is this a problem that Eva can solve?
Absolutely. So let me talk about that one. So, for example, in this particular product, which is a supplement, what we can see that, if the demand is going down and the sessions are still at a similar, if the demand is going down, which means that if the velocity is low, but the number of sessions are similar or going up, it makes sense to drop the price, and by that dropping of the price to increase the USP and as well as the conversion rate. I mean, that's something that we are seeing for 2 days. And then what happens is we see an orders increasing and the demand increasing after 2 days of dropping the price, for example. And the system continues to check both, points that are better or lower or higher based on the demand and the number of sessions that are happening every day.
Real quick before you go, thanks for watching the video. And if you found value in this video in any way, please hit that like button and the subscribe button, and stay tuned for new videos. If you have ideas or suggestions for future videos, put them in the comments below. David and I will pop in there and we'll make some more content. Appreciate it.